Yo everybody, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm coming right back at you with another video that is again way too late. Everybody else unboxed these about a month or so ago. You know what these are from the title, which is up there somewhere. But I've been traveling about the places and I didn't want to not unbox these properly because these are such a nice shoe. So SJ there on Sneaker Cam, I am going to speed the film up about now. Boom, I am. Well, that took me a little bit longer than usual. So these came from Flat Spot. When did they actually drop? When did we get them from Flat Spot? We actually got them. This is so bad, SJ. We got these on the 2nd of October. Wow. Just for reference, that's the 2nd of October 2019. Today's date is the 30th of November 2019. So I'm like 2 months late, so clearly we won't be returning these. And Flat Spot again, so we've come good again. Flat Spot has been doing all right for us this year, hasn't it? We've done all right. Right, so first of all, everyone, just to do the usual trick of these things, we have got a Nike SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike 2. They are white lucid green sail, UK 10.5, that makes them a US 11.5. They're CU 3846100, right. Now I am a bit excited about these. I really like these. SJ, when she first saw them, I don't think she was keen. I've seen these a lot. And first of all, woodcut paper. You know we love a bit of woodcut paper. Wow. Wow. These are nice. These are super nice. Oh my word. So it's Benji. Let's get rid of the box, everyone, so we can have a proper look at these bad boys. Whew, these are hot. These are so hot, oh my word. So first of all, we've got, interestingly, we've got standard Dunk sort of laces here, but what's more interesting is actually the alternate laces that they didn't lace in the factory, because these are sort of those flat waxed laces, SJ. And if I just pull this out, the aglet, and we haven't put the sticker up there yet, the aglet, have a look. It's got that on the end. Can you, I'm not doing this very well again, am I? You know what we didn't do, everyone? Right, I'm gonna send SJ on a little journey now, a little journey. Can you flick one of the lights? The reason we're doing this is these shoes are so white. They won't show up very well. There we go. So we've just turned the lights down ever so slightly because I want you to see these. Hopefully that's coming across. Yeah, that's working so much better on the camera. So you can see, first of all, I'm just going to show you all of that. Like, look at that. That's a beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. So what have we got here? We've got the Benji Dunk, basically. Benji being a store in Amsterdam. I think this is actually the first Dunk, the first Nike shoe, I think, which has got swooshes embossed all over. So I'm going to bring it. I'm going to leave you for the moment, camera 2. I'm going to go to SJ that way somewhere. We've got the Nike SB there, SJ. See that? And it's a nice fat tongue. It's that OG style tongue. On the inside, you see how it's the green, and then you've got this pattern here. The pattern is actually, you could get, there was apparel that went with this as well, and certainly there was a t-shirt. I think there was a wind beater. Have a look on the inside. Following the swooshes theme again, it's really nice. You know what I'm really loving about this? I'm loving this like bright white, and then the creamy, I'm doing it again. I do not want to say the off word when it comes to talking about white. The creamy, the sail, in fact, the sail sole, look at that. Isn't that nice? It contrasts really well. And the other thing that I like about these, and actually if we go to the back, SJ, you can see there, you've actually got the Benji there, just written on the heel instead of Nike. I'm going to show you that, camera 1. Can you see that? Hopefully that's showing up there. It's pretty nice, isn't it? In fact, let's do that. So you've actually got a bit too much light on you, but you there, camera 2, like, have a look at that. I think that that's showing up beautifully, and you can see that logo just there, I hope. Hopefully it's focused. That's 2 pairs of white Dunks for me, but I have seen some people who've actually taken the time and they've actually colored in the swooshes. Would you do that? You wouldn't do that. So SJ, do you like these? Would you rock these?
I like them for you, not for me.
You're not really a Dunk girl, are you, in the same way?
No, just because they look a bit too chunky on me. I like them, but for a white sneaker, I prefer them not to be as chunky.
Okay. Oh, ah.
They're good for you.
That makes sense now. So you actually mean from a white sneaker
Yeah.
perspective rather than an actual
Dunk
point of view. I couldn't get the words out there. What was I trying to say? Like from an actual, what are we saying here? The thing we didn't call out, obviously I called out the alternate laces, which I think I want to swap because they're all, I love this waxy type flat lace. But also on the normal laces, you've got that on the eglets, lace caps, whatever you want to call them. Why is it a word that I just can't say? You know, there's those words, SJ, that you just can't get your mouth around. I'm pretty sure for me, that is one of those words that just doesn't want to go round in my mouth, so to speak. Does that make any sense at all? It doesn't, does it? It makes no sense. It makes some sense to me, but it probably doesn't make any sense to you. It makes a lot of sense. The other thing I like about these, so these came out, when I first saw the pictures, they remind me of a tennis shoe, particularly with the green. You're right there, we're keeping you awake. You didn't see that behind the camera. There was like a massive, like, oh, I'm so tired. Because somebody was on their Christmas party last night, nice and early, but didn't get in till proper late. So, but not hungover actually. That's unusual, isn't it? Like we've seen SJ a few times. Dark glasses. You can always tell when she's had a bit of a late night on these videos because she's wearing the dark glasses. But anyway, yeah, they do remind me of a tennis shoe, and I think particularly it's just that green. It's a classic. I don't know what green this would be. Let me have a look on the box. So you take some nice shots of that, SJ. I'm just going to see if it calls it out on the group. Lucid green. Okay, I'm a bit disappointed with that description. What makes it lucid? Does anyone know why this green in particular is classified as lucid green? It's weird, isn't it? Like, have a look. Like, why would that be lucid? Right, if we go in there close again, like I think it's focused again, and I think it's just such a lovely shoe. We should get some shots on the Instagram. And if you're not following us on Instagram, it is Pint of Stuff. SJ's sort of managing that account a bit more than I do, and she puts pictures up and she's on the stories all the time. The other interesting thing to do on Instagram is don't forget to use the hashtag Pint of Stuff, or at least follow us so we can follow you back, because every night, we're not streaming every night, I can tell you that. Every Sunday when we do stream, we do like to feature people's Instagram shots that we've seen through the week, so you never know, you might get on the stream. And certainly some of our regulars like Leroy, an amazing Nike SB collection, like every week he's just pulling out heat left, right and center, and I'm really, like, I'm kind of jealous just of what he's still got. And there's some really early like 2000s stuff that's great, isn't it? Of course it's going to be early 2000s, but you know, when SB first started properly. But anyway, everyone, what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. We might have premiered this video. We've been experimenting with Premiere, haven't we? Also, if you have been catching our premieres, what do you think? Let us know in the comments, because I'm enjoying the format. I love releasing these videos and then chatting with you lot in the chat at the same time while we're both watching them at the same time. But yeah, so we will probably do that. Anything else to say about these, SJ?
No, they're just nice.
They're just nice, aren't they? They're just nice. I am having a look to see if there's any like glue marks or anything. I'm not seeing anything particularly bad from a construction perspective. SB's usually constructed reasonably well, aren't they, compared to usual Nike. I still think SBs themselves are the best value shoes if you collect shoes. They don't often break a ton, do they? And yet the quality is always pretty good. I'm just having another look here. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. So everybody, let us know what you think of these bad boys in the comments. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, all of the usual things. And we will probably see you on another video. Of course, don't forget to come and watch us on Sunday nights. Don't forget to come and join into the chat and stuff of Pint of Stuff. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you. Probably you'll see SJ in a video very shortly. So anyway, see you later, people. Bye. SJ. They're nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Another great summer shoe. Why did they come out in October? Such a stupid time for a white shoe to come out.
They were an August drop, but they should have been.
They should have been August or July. Proper summer shoe, tearing up the streets. And Benji, if you don't know, Amsterdam. Yeah, we haven't been to Amsterdam, have we? Well, I've been once or twice, but you've not been to Amsterdam.
I've been to the airport with you.
Oh, you've been to... no, that was Rotterdam.
Ah.
No, it was Amsterdam. It was Amsterdam, I think. Or did we stay at Rotterdam Airport and then drive to Amsterdam? You've been to the ring road of Amsterdam. Yes. Anyway, people, genuinely, we are going now. I'll see you later. Bye.